said she want wine up for me all night. She willing to give me that ride, yeah. Rough man a look the girl because Popcaan are the one she want. Make she a wine up for me all night, yeah. She willing to give me that ride, yeah. Rough man a look the girl because Popcaan are the one she want.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? It has been rumored that D'Angel is allegedly pregnant for Buju Banton's son, producer Markus, but both celebs have denied the claims.
As a joke, I mean, when I heard it, I was like, seriously, people are crazy or mad. Macka called me, I said, D'Angel, look what I'm starting the website. I'm just like, seriously, but on a serious note, I'm not pregnant. Me and Markus, we are working together because I'm a producer, you know, and I was around the studio, and we definitely have a relationship, but it's a musical relationship. I think I did an interview on a certain television program, and I had on a dress, I'll be look bigger than a dress. But at the end of the day, I'm not pregnant. For them to say, I'm pregnant for Markus, that's ridiculous. Markus is a teenager, Markus is my friend, he's a great producer, and we're working together.
All I can say is those rumors are false and she's not pregnant with my child. And the rumors and the false allegations, we're not having it.
What the deal? According to sources, Popcaan claims that he was the one to bust Tommy Lee. Do you agree? Leave comments below.
So 2012 come, you run it now. Now you have another DJ, Tommy Lee. I mean, Tommy Lee's kind of shoot out. How you feel about his career right now?
Well, you don't know, I bring Tommy Lee to the street, you know. You see me, he never tell him yet live on the air, but him me tell him half there, I bring him to the road, you know what I mean? Tommy Lee, I'm my brother for life. I'm a family that differently from music, you see me? So I don't want people get it twisted when them see Tommy Lee and Popcaan. Tommy Lee and Popcaan is brothers.
Okay, okay, so
and big up the whole Sparta.
So yeah, that's
Rolly Gang said that.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel will spend another Christmas and possibly celebrate his 37th birthday in jail. He is to return to court on January 21st, 2013.
Who want the dancehall to stop? Police! Who know want to see herbs a shop? Police! Who kill the youths from the block? Police! Them no want to hear truth, merciless facts. Who want to see herbs a drive? Police! Are the easiest man to bribe. Police! Them no want to see get to survive. Police!
What the deal? Macka Diamond says she has drawn a line in her friendship with Lady Saw after the release of her song called Me Bless, in which most dubbed as a Lady Saw diss track because Macka Diamond had allegedly made a reference to her diminishing relationship in the song.
After me sing me song, say me a 40 plus. Me see some girl pick it up, she must see Spartacus. But allow me a clean up your yard first. I know be your man breed, why am me your one cuss? But me bless.
I'm putting it out there myself. Apparently she met my man who went to see on Tony Cruz, and I'm not allowing anyone to break up me and my man. He's 17 years. Show me a man who don't cheat. Once he's not with a man, another man, I'm fine. Everybody cheat. I'm not perfect myself, so who perfect cast the first stone. You understand? I have so many miscarriages, so maybe these are the son that him should get, yeah? And I couldn't give in. So she can do the carrying and I do the marrying. For a long time I get my business work, I'm not getting no love for, I show love to people, you understand? You just do my song, I show people love, you understand? I don't have a call, whole for people name in the song, I'm going to hear nobody tell me no problem. So I just do my song, I show the love of who over 40 and I'm going to go on the business, and I don't offend nobody. And we are England, then I'm not Jamaican at all. Everybody been calling me and say, Macka, we hear what go on, people answer your song. But one time I see people go on Twitter now, and I talk about bad things and very and disrespectful, and I don't think I end that's my tune too. And then at the end of the day, people go tweet out some things were hurtful and disrespectful. That means you not attack me then. And then when time my people them check out the things, them ears say the song goes from February and very. So that means that the police don't ever believe in all the things. Well, I'm put something now and make it look like it's an issue. So it's a problem to me because me I show love and me not get back no love.
What the deal? Busy Signal is now a free man after serving a 6-month prison sentence in Minnesota.
And today all I can say is free at last, free at last. Busy is free at last. It's official. Today's the day he gets out of jail and steps right onto the pavement. And we gonna hope and pray that he never has to go to jail again.
So we not go to jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we are go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no.
What the deal? Dancehall artist Ninja Man Man and KipRich said that they are willing to clash at Sting this year, only if the money is right. But Ninja Man claims that he wants 10 million for the clash.
They go on it back, they go on it back, they go on it back, they go on it back. Then go on. Down the road now, the grill fly. Fi violate it, not easy to try. God can hear me and tell you, when you're in jail, if eternity cry. Well, time and time again, I've been warning some idiot. Say you one gargan in the world, anybody can see that.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What